It's Joe again. I'm coming back. I was going to do the first build video. It was going to be a MP45 from Fujimi, but something happened to the paint. It reacted, whatever. Anyway, but here's a little box from Spot Model we got with some cool stuff in it, and I just wanted to show you guys. So let's see what we have. There should be a few things here. First we have Tamiya, the smaller photo etch bending pliers. I already have the bigger ones, but I got these specifically for the kit that's actually in. There's a couple of them in this box. Decal scissors, so I don't use my wife's nice sewing scissors and she yells at me. We got, I believe this is Hasegawa. This is Master Tools, but just a little 5-inch display table with a mirror on it. We'll open that. No, it's Trumpeter. We'll open that with you guys. Check it out. But here's the fun stuff. Oh. The small bending tweezers from Tamiya. Here's the good stuff though. Alright, we've got here Tamiya's Lotus E21 2013 GP car. Okay. We've got the Red Bull Infinity RB10. This is going to be the kit. This is the one I'm going to start. So, we'll unbox that a little later. But this is the kit that this is going to be the first build on the channel. And we have the Ferrari F1 2000. So we'll be doing all these. These are small Tamiya, or not, sorry, Tamiya, Tamiya 1/43 scale. 1/43 scale cars, and they are all metal bodies. A lot of people are scared to work with metal, but I kind of like it. It's a little more forgiving than styrene. We'll unbox all this. I mean, but this is all part of it, but this will all be unboxed on the channel here. Next video will come out in the next couple days. For a size comparison, let's see, what would you guys have on your desks? Here's the Vallejo color. Okay, it's almost as long as the car, just to give you a size comparison. So these are small kits, but you know, your collection can fit in a small area. The detail's very high. But we'll see. Do this guy first. And that's it. Those are pretty much all they come with. We're going to have decals and some photo etch sheets. It looks like this one doesn't have... a lot of times they do the suspension and photo etch, and there's a lot of bending you got to do, but it doesn't look like this kit is that way, which is kind of nice. I can... yeah, there's... yeah, arms are white metal. That makes things a lot easier, that's for sure. Little tires, already pre-painted, pre-decaled. Looks like some mediums, Pirelli mediums, medium content. That's it for that box, guys. Instructions, I mean, they're pretty... for the amount of detail that's in these cars, you can build one of these up pretty quick. You can see there's almost no parts. And these things just look really good when they're all built. So... decals. See, they have the carbon decals. All the decals are in here. Looks like they give you 2 sheets, I guess. 2 decal sheets, 2 identical decal sheets. That's the RB10, kit number TMK 423. We have TMK 286, and this is Michael Schumacher's Ferrari. We'll do this one next. Like some turned brass rims, and you got the groove tires from back then. Car body. Parts. And there we go. That's more common for a Tamiya kit. The suspension arms are actually photo etch. Sorry for all the glare, guys. And there's the rear taillight. Every single one of these will get its own unboxing prior to me building it, so. There's some hard compound. And this guy. And then this is the Lotus. Love this car. Beautiful. This is Grosjean's. I don't know if I'm going to do Grosjean or Raikkonen. I'm not sure. You can't, I mean, it's really hard with the glare, but... So these are all going to come out and be... How you doing? Anyway, that's today's haul from the Bobby store. The old Cheetos. Here's a couple other cards. I'll just show you the boxes real quick, but I got these the other day. The 248 F1 Ferrari. These are 1/20th for Genie Kids. And we got the Williams. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Tomorrow I may do the starting of the RB10 from Tamiya, the 143rd. So it's definitely going to have to be a part series. I'll show you guys a cleanup of the metal filing and what general filing practices. It's important, believe it or not. I'll go over which whether, you know, sometimes I like to use epoxy, sometimes I like 5-minute epoxy, sometimes I like to use super glue with certain parts of these kits. Painting and stuff like that's actually fairly easy on these. Generally everything kind of stays its own module and gets painted by itself and then gets put on the other parts, but anyway, that's where we're at. So it is, I believe, the 16th Wednesday, March 16th, a Wednesday of 2022. But like I said, I never, you know, these Tamiya tools have never done me wrong, any of them. So it seems like they actually care about the quality of the products they put out, and that's why they have the name they do, right? So it's like almost like they maybe they test these things or use them before they just shoot them out of the market, huh? That's crazy. Anyway, the small photo etch pliers and the little tiny bending tools. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate every one of you. I hope you're all doing good and prospering. I hope everyone can do what they love in their life, and you gotta just try to enjoy the moment, people. You can't, don't get too fixated on the future. Try to enjoy the moment that's in front of you. Okay? That's my 2 cents of advice. Anyway, have a good day. Thank you.